नगर मधील विश्वसनीय नाव कराळे मॅथ्स अकॅडमी, गॅरंटी ऑफ एक्सलंट रिझल्ट आणि बीके फिजिक्स अकॅडमी, एक उज्ज्वल यशासाठी.
लॉकडाऊन काळात खास घेऊन येत आहे 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स साठी प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी घर बसल्या फ्री ऑनलाईन क्लासेस. दिनांक 3 जून पासून सुरू. 11वीचा पाया भक्कम करण्याबरोबरच सुरुवातीपासून MCQ एक्झाम जसे की CET व JEE ची दर्जेदार तयारी करिता
आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क 9923222488 9130143631. विजिट www.karalemaths.blogspot.in.
Hello student. So since from last video we are in the lesson complex number. So it is one of the important lesson, first lesson of the second section. Now before we proceed, now let us see the answer for the homework. So what are the question? Write the real and imaginary part for the complex number. First one, 2 plus 4i. So I'll denote that complex number in sequence by Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 and Z5. So let Z1 is equals to, it's a 2 plus 4i. Then this is the answer for the first one. Then real part of Z1, R of Z, is the 2. And imaginary part of Z1, the imaginary part is the 4. Is it? Next, second one. Let Z2 is equals to 5i. This 5i I can write like this, 0 plus 5i. Next, now real part of Z2. So this is imaginary part, this is real part, which is 0. Now I of Z2 is equals to, it's a 5. Next, third one. So let Z3 is equals to, it's a 3 minus 4i. Now I can write like this, RE. Instead of R, I can write RE of. So real part of Z3. So this is real part and IM stands for the imaginary part of that Z3 is the component or the coefficient of that I with the proper sign. So it is minus 4. Is it? Now let's see the fourth one. Star mark that fourth one. Let Z4 as a 5 plus square root of minus 16. Now here, first of all, I need to insert the imaginary component in proper format. So is equals to the root 16. So I can write like this, root 16 square root of minus 1. Now, so is equals to 5 plus root 16 is a 4 and then square root of minus 1. Now put square root of minus 1 is equals to, so put root of minus 1 is equals to I. Therefore Z4 is equals to Z4 as a 5 plus 4. This factor is replaced by I. आता easily लिहू शकता. Therefore R of Z4, real part is a 5 and imaginary part is the 4. Is that clear? So this is the concept of the real and imaginary part of that complex number. Now, fifth one. One more is there. Fifth one. So let Z5 is equals to the fifth one. Z5 you may denote only by Z. 2 plus root 3. Now I can't insert the component or the term of that I. So therefore write like this, it's a 2 plus root 3 plus 0i. Now real part real part is the 2 plus root 3 and imaginary part is the 0. Is it? So these are the question answers for the homework. Now let's see. Let's come to the next point. There is ongoing part from the previous lecture is the equality of the two complex number. So two complex number Z1 and Z2 equality. Equality of two complex number. So two complex number Z1 and Z2 are said to be equal if their real parts are equal and imaginary corresponding real part are equal and imaginary part are equal. Otherwise they are not the equal. Conversely, if I say real part of the two complex number are equal, imaginary part of the two complex number are equal, then that two real number are the equal. So for Z1 is equals to A plus BI, C plus DI. E is equals to, if A is equals to C, A is equals to C and B is equals to D. B is equals to D, then the two complex number are said to be the equal. Z1 is equals to Z2. Is that clear? Now let's see the example on the same concept. Example on the equality. Let's see the first one. If suppose A plus 3i is equals to 4 plus bi. Here the two complex number on LHS on RHS we are having the two complex number and they are said to be the equal. So by equality of two complex number we get. So this A is equals to 4 and this B is the thing. Is it? It's very simple concept. Now let's do one more question. Second one. If (7a) 3a minus b is equals to 21 minus 3i. 7a plus 3a minus b times of I is equals to 21 minus 3i. Find a plus b. Find a plus b. So in order to find out that a plus b, one need to firstly find out what is a, what is b. Here on LHS we are having one complex number, on RHS we are having one complex number. What is that? Here 7a is the real, 3a minus b is the real multiplied by imaginary, it becomes the complex, and real imaginary part, so that is the complex. Now, so firstly write like this: by equality of two complex number we get. So what do we get? 7a is equals to, this is the real part on left side. What is the real part on right side? Which is 21. So 7a is equals to 21. This gives just like the equation 7 3s are 21. What is the imaginary part on the LHS? Imaginary part on the LHS is the 3a minus b is equals to. What is the imaginary part on the right side? Which is minus 3. Is that clear? But a is equals to 3. Or put a is equals to 3. Therefore, 3. What is the value of a? Is a 3 minus b 3, A is 3 minus B, which is equals to minus 3. It's the comparison. So the next, now it's only the part of equation. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 minus B is equals to minus 3. Shift this B to the right side, minus 3 to the left side. This gives B is equals to, B become plus, minus 3 on shifting to the LHS it become plus, 9 plus 3, which is equals to 12. What is our target? It is to find out A plus B. Therefore, or now, A plus B. What is A? Is a 3. What is B? Is a 12. Final answer is the 15. A plus B is equals to 15. So write it fast. Now, next point, it's of the conjugate of the complex number. So, here the next study, conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Now, if Z is equals to A plus Bi is the given complex number, if Z is equals to A plus Bi is one complex number, you know, or you are able to identify what is meant by complex number. If Z is equals to A plus Bi be the given complex number, then it's a conjugate complex number. It's a conjugate complex number is denoted by its denoted by. So the notation is like this, Z bar ने denote केला जातो, is denoted by Z bar and it is given by. Now, way to write the conjugate of the given complex number is simply reverse the sign of its imaginary part. Just remember it. And exactly, way to write conjugate of a given complex number is the, तुम्ही कुठेतरी नोट डाउन पण करू ठेवू शकता, simply reverse sign of its imaginary part. Now what is imaginary part in this complex number? Is the plus B. Imaginary number is the Bi and imaginary part is the plus B with sign. Now if I reverse the sign of its imaginary part, then it will become minus B and then it is given by A minus Bi. Is it? That is Z bar is equals to A minus Bi. So if Z is equals to A plus Bi, then it's a conjugate complex number is the A minus Bi. Got it? Now let's see the example. Let's see example one by one depending on the conjugate. So the first one, Z is equals to 2 plus 4i. Then Z bar is equals to. So what will be the Z bar? काय करायचंय पहा, इमॅजिनरी पार्टचं तुम्हाला साइन रिव्हर्स करायचं आहे. So this will use you 2 minus 4i. This is the first example. Second one, Z is equals to 3 minus 2i. Then Z bar is equals to, reverse the sign of the imaginary part. Here imaginary part is the minus 2. If I reverse the sign, it will become plus 2. So it is 3 plus 2i. Third example, Z is equals to, it is minus A plus Bi. Then Z bar is equals to, only reverse the sign of its imaginary part. लोक याचं साइन रिव्हर्स करत बसतात. दिस इज नॉट द इमॅजिनरी पार्ट. सो minus a as it is plus bi changes to minus bi. Is that clear? Next, fourth one, z is equals to minus 2 minus 5y. Then it's a conjugate complex number. It is given by simply reverse the sign of this part. It is minus 2 plus 5y. So note down it properly. Next one, next example number 5. So z is equals to, it is only the 2. Then how to write its a conjugate? First of all, write this 2 as a 2 plus 0i. Is it? Means we need to write that complex number in the structure, in the format of the complex number. जसं नावाचा फिक्स फॉर्मॅट आहे पहा, सरनेम, नेम, फादर नेम किंवा फर्स्ट नेम, फादर नेम, लास्ट नेम, सरनेम. हा जो स्टँडर्ड स्ट्रक्चर आहे तसं याचं स्टँडर्ड स्ट्रक्चर आहे. इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट प्लस कॉन्स्टंट मल्टिप्लाइड बाय इमॅजिनरी. दॅट इज द रियल नंबर अँड इमॅजिनरी नंबर. देन झेड बार इज इक्वल्स टू, if I reverse, then it will become and you know that 0. I did nothing but the same. From this, your conclusion is like this. So what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is that in this case the complex number is 2 as well as its a conjugate is 2. Means this is the case in which given complex number as well as its a conjugate both are the same, and this happens only in case when given complex number is the purely real. हा purely real number आहे. म्हणजे हॅश पॉइंट एमसीक्यू एंट्रन्स साठी तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. इफ झेड इज इक्वल्स टू झेड बार, देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू. तर ट्रू काय? दिस इज ट्रू ओनली व्हेन गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज द प्युअरली रियल. तो जर प्युअरली रियल असेल तरच हे ट्रू राहतं. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. So z is equals to, it's minus 2i. Then how to write it? So first of all, I can write like this. In the structure, in the format of that complex number मध्ये त्याला लिहूया. So it is 0 minus 2i. Then z bar. Reverse the sign of imaginary part. So what is imaginary part? Is the 2i. Then it will become 0 plus 2i. That is nothing but simply the 2i. So got it? Now let's see the another concept. So keep in mind the hash point from this example. For purely real number, it's a conjugate, and given complex number, they are the same. Now let's see the next example. Example number 7. Example number 7. Z is equals to 2 plus root 3. Okay, it's only like this. And if I ask what is its a conjugate, then student write the answer. It's 2 minus root 3, which is wrong. Concept काय? Simply reverse the sign of imaginary part. Here this is not the imaginary part, this is real. So I can write like this, plus 0i. Now z bar, it will be like this. Don't make the any change in its real part. So it is 2 plus 3i. 2 plus root 3 minus 0i. That is nothing but simply the 2 plus root 3. Again, that is the one and the same number. You see? Let's see one more interesting example. Example number 8. So z is equals to, it's a 3 plus square root of minus 16. Then first of all, we need to write this is in terms of imaginary. as usual I can write like this. Is it okay? Now 3 root 16 is a 4 and square root of minus 1 is equals to the I. So here therefore Z bar is equals to 3. Now reverse the sign, it is the 4I. Is that clear? So these all are the example, or we have covered all the varieties of the question on the type conjugate of the complex number. And now next one is the properties of that conjugate. Properties. So in properties, the first property is, मगाशीच आपण पाहिले, if like so, given complex number is equals to its conjugate, then Z is purely रियल नंबर. मगाशी एक्झाम्पल पाहिलेला आहे त्यामुळे परत एक्झाम्पलची गरज नाही. नेक्स्ट वन, सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इज द conjugate of conjugate is equals to. Now let's see the explanation. Then we'll fill in the blanks. Let's see the explanation. So let Z is equals to A plus Pi. Then what will be its a conjugate? Then Z bar as a minus Pi. Now once again if I say take a conjugate on both sides, कि दोन्ही साइडचा conjugate घ्या. Now conjugate of this Z bar, we change the sign of its imaginary part, so it will be again minus changes to plus, so A plus Pi is equals to. Now search for A plus Pi. What is A plus Pi? Is a Z, so is a Z. Therefore what is this? This is the Z. From this it is clear that, what is clear, that conjugate of conjugate is the original complex number. Conjugate of conjugate is the original complex number. Now let's see the next one, third property. Then we'll see the explanation of that third property also. Property number 3. If Z is equals to, if Z is equals to minus of, then Z is. Keep in mind such a type of question it will be asked in your examination, MCQ type of examination. What is given to you? So let's see the explanation. Let Z is equals to A plus Bi. Therefore, what is Z bar? What is Z bar? Z bar is A minus Bi. Put all that values, value of Z. So put in Z is equals to minus Z bar. Therefore, what is Z? Is A plus Bi is equals to, negative is there. What is Z bar? Is A minus Bi. Solve the RHS. Means just take this multiplication. So it is minus A, minus of minus plus Bi. Now cancelling Bi. So this will use you A shifted to the left side, 2a is equals to 0, this will gives you just like the equation 2a is equals to 0 means a is equals to 0. So if I say a is equals to 0, therefore z is equals to, जर a 0 असेल तर z is equals to bi and z is equals to bi, such a type of number are called as a purely imaginary number. So which is purely imaginary number. Clear? So we have seen these three properties or three remarkable things on the same concept. If z is means number and its conjugate are equal, this is true for purely real number. Conjugate of conjugate is the original number, and if number is equals to negative of its conjugate, then z is the purely imaginary number. Z is purely imaginary number. Purely imaginary number. So write it fast. So, and now the next point, it's related to the next heading. Do the next heading. So next to that, conjugate of the complex number, algebra of the complex number. Now the heading itself indicates that we are going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, how to take the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the complex number. Algebra of the complex number. Algebra of complex number. So in that first one, addition. Addition of two complex number. So this is the first heading. In all we have to learn 4 plus 1. 5 point in this heading. First one is addition of two complex number, subtraction of two complex number, multiplication of two complex number, division of two complex number, and what will be the fifth one we will see in the corresponding video. Now if z1 is equals to a plus bi and z2 is equals to c plus di are given, मी परवाही सांगितलेलं आहे, so we are using the short form c dot n dot for the complex number, are the given complex number, then their addition is denoted by z1 plus z2 and given by, simply this is nothing but we can treat this as a notation, and now next we are going to derive the formula, and given by z1 plus z2 is equals to, put up the value of z1 is a plus bi plus, just I am putting the values in the equation, z2, what is z2 is a c plus di. Now solve the bracket. So z1 plus z2 is equals to, it is a plus bi plus c plus di. Now this real part it is added with real part, or you know that addition is commutative. 1 plus 2 लिहिलं काय किंवा 2 plus 1 लिहिलं काय, आन्सर सेमच येते. तसं a plus c सोबत लिहिलं काय आणि bi plus bi लिहिलं काय, it's one and the same. Now finally z1 plus z2 is equals to, so just I am putting the brackets, so it gives a plus c, and can I take I as a common, so it gives b plus d multiplied by I. This is the formula for addition of the two complex number. Now just observe this formula. What is the formula? A plus c. What is a is a real part of the first complex number. What is c is a real part of the second complex number. Means real part are added with real. What is B? Is the imaginary part of first complex number. What is D? Is the imaginary part of second complex number. And B plus D means what? Imaginary part of first complex number is added with imaginary part of the second complex number. And A plus C is a real. This is imaginary. Once again, addition is nothing but complex number, which is also complex number. यावरून एक पॉइंट लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. Addition of the two complex number is a complex number, and way for the addition is simply add real part with each other and imaginary part with each other. So note down it properly. Now let's see the example of the addition of the two complex number. Let's see the addition example. So first one, Z1 is equals to 2 minus 3i and Z2 is equals to minus 4 plus 5i. Z1 plus Z2. What is Z1? 2 minus 3i plus Z2 is a, so just I am putting the brackets, minus 4 plus 5i. Now it will gives you, solve this bracket, 2 minus 3i, plus of minus, minus, plus of plus, plus 5i, 2 minus 4. Now real with real, collect real with real and imaginary part with imaginary part. 2 minus 4 is a minus 2. Minus 3i plus 5i, rather 5 minus 3 is a 2i. Therefore, Z1 plus Z2 is equals to minus 2 plus 2i. And this is clear that which is the real number. Is that clear? So write it fast. In this way, today we will stop here and I will send the homework on your WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you, fine. Have a nice day.